Okay, now we're ready to do or start our V carving, and we have two depth bottoming bits that we got to do first. The first one is a 1/4 inch and the next one is an 1/8 inch, and these are our clearance bits. They're just to clear out material, so when we go to do our V carve we don't have to have all that material cleared out by a little itty bitty bit. Okay, we're ready to load our file. We're going to do the clearance tab. This is our 1/4 inch one. Open it. I always like to come in here to make sure I got the right file and I'm doing everything right. This is the right one because it's for the 1/4 inch. I'm good with that. And now we're ready to run the program. Start our dust collection. Okay, the next bit we're going to do, the next clearance bit, is our 1/8 inch clearance bit. So here we go. Let's go ahead and set the Z height, just as we've done before. Bring it down a little bit so it's a little closer. Hit plate, say OK, touch, get a good contact, and say OK. And our Z height is set. Now we're ready to load our file and run the program. Okay, let's load the file. It's our clearance number 2. Open it. Yeah, we know. Check to make sure you got the right one. 1/8 inch, yep, that's fine. And let's run the program and turn on our dust collection. Okay, now we're ready to do our 60-degree V-carve bit. This is the last step on this star. So what we're going to do, as everything else, we're going to set our height with our touch plate. Bring it down a little bit. Bring it down a little bit. Hit plate. Say OK. We got a good contact. Yes, we'll accept those results. Okay, we're ready to turn on our dust collection and run the program. Go over here, load program. Our V-carve for the Lazy Susan. Open it. Yes, we know we're changing. Again, check it to make sure this is right, which it is. Go back. Run the program, turn on our dust collection. Okay, now we're ready to do all the numbers and the compass lines. We've got all the compass points done now. Now we're ready to do all of our lines that go on the outside, the north, the south, the east, the west, lettering, and then also degree numbers too. And we're doing that with a veining bit. And all we have to do is set the V height and run the program. So let's get going. Plate, okay. We confirmed it electrically. Yes, we're going to accept that result. Now we're ready to run the program and turn on the dust collection. Let's load the program. Go to load file. I'm going to go to Lazy Susan and Quick Engrave. Open the file. Yes, we know we're putting in another file. And as you can see, all of our numbers, letters, and all of that stuff is there. So check to make sure that I got the right bit in. Yep, my engraving bit, which is a veining bit. Go back. We're ready to go. So let's load the program and start the dust collection. Okay, we're down to our last machining operation on this half, and it's the profile cut. I cut it with tabs, and I'm also cutting it with a 1/4 inch upcut bit. So let's set our Z height and run the program. Got our Z height set. Now we're ready to run the program. Load the file, and this is the profile. Yes, we know. Profile tab, just to make sure. Have I done before? Yep, this is the file I want. Turn on the dust collection, run the file.